I kinda know everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me typical, so I let you see my body.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be getting into these miracle knots, and these are going to be straight miracle knots, not your typical curly. I'm excited because I'm not really sure where this is going to go, but I have faith that it's going to come out so cute. Today we are working with EayonHair. So this is the bag that everything came in. You also get clips, an edge toothbrush, and a comb. They sent over 5 packs. This is what the hair looks like, and it's giving like ombre, which is so cute. This is what each piece looks like. And then you also have the string for the miracle knots. I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. You are doing miracle knots, it just makes sense to prep your hair before. I typically use 1 pack prepping my hair because I like to braid it in the bottom. I did leave some out so I can show y'all exactly how I did it. It's just what the hair is looking like. I did my parts pretty big. I didn't do them like extremely like jumbo, but like they're on the larger side because I wanted to give like this flat look. I did for the top it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll show you guys what the back looks like. This is how I did my parts in the back. Okay, you guys, so I'm using this Got Hold braid gel, and what you're gonna do is just part out your hair for your braid, and you want to start braiding your hair first. So I'm taking some of that gel. I don't put too much gel on my hair, just a little bit, just to give it that crisp type look. And you're gonna braid your hair. Now this is the whole good thing about miracle knots, because there's no like connect along hair or anything involved. You could just braid your hair, and then we're gonna add on 1 piece of the crochet hair to the bottom of the braid to extend the braid, and that's literally all you're doing. So I'm just braiding in the crochet hair, and then also when I am braiding, I like to take gel in between just so everything can look as neat as possible. And you guys, if your braid does look a little crazy, I promise you it's fine, because you're gonna crochet the hair over your braid anyway. So right here I was just closing up where I took a piece of hair from the other braid to put it towards the part of my hair that was short, so that everything can be equal. And you're just gonna braid everything all the way down. I don't braid it all the way down to the bottom. I just braided it to like kind of like a midpoint, and then I did a little knot thing. Now I would suggest that you guys do the knot twice, because I really only did it once, but if you guys are doing this style to keep it in for a very long time, make sure you guys do the knot twice and make sure the knot is secure, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out. But that's basically how I did the braid. I wanted to do it in real time for you guys so you can see exactly what I was doing, but I'm just repeating the steps for the last 2 sections that I have left. So now that I am done with my little sections that I did to demonstrate, this is just what everything looks like. So I like to keep a good amount of hair left out so that it can complement the rest of the crochet hair that we are going to be putting in. So this is what it looked like, because I just wanted to see the vision, y'all, because I never did no straight miracle knots before, so I really needed to see the vision. And when I was seeing it, I was like, okay, now I can demonstrate for my girlies so they can get the look too, because you know I don't want y'all out here looking crazy. My whole goal is to have y'all out here looking good. So this is the easiest part, y'all. Literally all you do is take your crochet needle. I like to put it through the top, put it through the midpoint, and put it through the bottom. And I put 4 strands on each braid, and that gave me a full look. And then I did have like a couple left over, so some strands probably have like 5 or 6 miracle knots on there, but 4 is enough. I promise you 4 is enough. So like you guys just see me do, I just put 1 at the root of my hair, and then I put 1 a little bit down, and then 1 more a little bit down from that, and 1 more towards the bottom. So that's literally all you do. Miracle knots are so easy. It's not hard at all. I'm just repeating this step all over my head. That's why I say it just makes more sense for you guys to prep your hair either early in the day if you're gonna do your hair at night, or prep your hair the day before, and then you can just do this process the next day. It just makes everything so much easier. And for me to be doing this for the first time, like, I really love the way this came out. You guys gonna see me, you guys are gonna hear me say this is so cute, it's so cute throughout this whole video, because it really was, y'all. Like, I did not know that I could do this with some miracle knots, y'all. And one thing about me, I love a style that is low maintenance when you're doing it, that's not that tedious, because y'all know I done sat and braided my hair for days, weeks, small braids, stuff like that. When boho was coming out, boho was popping, I was sitting there adding pieces to the braid for the longest, braiding my hair for 30 days and 30 nights, and miracle knots just knocked that whole thing right out. Like, you don't have to spend so much time doing your hair and you still get the same desired look. Like, that's why I really love miracle knots. And when I took them out, they literally just slid out. Like, I don't know what a lot of people are saying about the whole miracle knots is taking out their hair. I think people are trying to like knot it in their hair too much, and all you literally have to do is just do one little 1-2 like you see me doing here. You just slide the piece of hair through the string and it is in your hair. Don't try to go up and beyond and try to like secure, like have it so like locked into your hair, because that's when you start taking it out, it's not just gonna slide right out. Your hair is gonna slide out with it. So if you guys just do exactly how I did in this video, you'll be fine. Your hair will be fine. You'll have nothing to worry about. I'm already done with the top, and I have a good feeling that this is gonna look so cute. Look how full this looks. I'm so glad that I did it the size that I did, because it's definitely coming to life, because I am gonna go through and straighten this and everything so you can see the vibes and how it's looking. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this out and do the back so we can get to the styling.
I am done putting them all in, y'all, and this is way cuter than I expected. Like, every time I do a style with miracle knots, I be kind of scared, but this is so cute. Literally, quite literally giving bust down. Like, this is too cute. And then let's see how it looks in the back. I'm gonna just go ahead and just straighten this, and then we're gonna see how it looks when it is straightened. I'm just gonna take my wide straightener, and this is my Vanessa Pro straightener.
Now, y'all, when I was straightening my hair, I would say you do not have to do all of these sections and stuff and like do like over the top. I literally just went in and just straightened my hair. I didn't put any product on my hair or anything. I just went in and I just straightened like a good amount size section. I didn't do small sections. I just went ahead and just straightened each part. And this was so easy as well, y'all. Like, this style was just so low maintenance. Even when me having to straighten the hair and stuff, it wasn't too much for me to do. Like, I absolutely loved it. So all I did was just straighten the hair through. You don't have to do anything crazy. If you want to add little extra products in, go ahead and do that. Add your favorite products that you like to use for straightening and stuff like that. I would recommend that, but for right here, I didn't do that. I just went ahead and straightened it, and it still looked really good. So you guys, now that I straightened all the hair, I almost forgot that I left baby hairs out because the middle part was given. I was like, oh yeah, I do got a little baby hairs I gotta do. So I'm just going in with my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm just doing a quick little 1-2. Like, I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm just doing my signature like quick little edges that I like to do. Nothing crazy, just 2 swoops. 1 swoop right here, and then the swoop on the sideburns, and I'm doing the same thing for the other side. And you guys, this is what everything is looking like, y'all. I'm just getting a feel for it, just looking at it, and it's just like, oh my god, like, this is really cute. Like, being that I have a braid at the top and it's just like hair, and then I could curl it, and then I could straighten it, I could do whatever. Like, I was like, okay, I'm feeling this, because y'all don't know how nervous I was to do this. Like, the day before I was supposed to record this, I kind of like backed out because I was like, y'all, like, I don't got the patience. What if this don't come out cute? Like, I was so nervous, but it came out so cute, and I absolutely love it. Like, the side part is cute. Like, everything is so cute.
So, y'all, these are so freaking cute. I cannot even lie. The middle part was cute. The side part is even cuter. Like, it's definitely giving bust down, rolling avalanche. No, it's definitely giving like protective bust down. Like, you don't even have to worry about having any leave out or anything out because your hair is straight. Like, what? This is actually really, really cute. I love this. So cute. Okay, so now y'all, I'm just about to try a few hairstyles real quick, like a half up, half down, a ponytail, you know, just stuff like this, so we can see exactly what the styles look like, because this is a lot of hair, y'all, and it is of a Yaki texture. Let's see how what everything is looking like. Oh my god, even with it to the side like this. Okay, other side part. All right, let's see what this half up, half down is giving. Oh no, add that up. Put this up. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is really cute. wow. This is really cute. That half up, half down is definitely tea. Like, that is tea. That is tutti, tutti. So let's just see what the ponytail looks like. The fact that this is just so low maintenance too. Like, you don't gotta worry about nothing extra, nothing crazy. Like, this is just too cute. This is such a cute style. Like, I'm gonna have to run this back soon. This is cute. Like, okay, ponytail. Then let's do a little bun. Okay, let me try to make the bun look like something, because it's easy for the bun to look a little crazy. Okay, the bun is just gonna have to look like that. Just a cute little bun. Okay, little bun. This is so cute. Like, the styles are endless with these. Miracle knots just keep getting better and better. Like, I don't know. I absolutely love this hairstyle, especially in the side part. I love it in the side part. I love that you could do all different types of styles with it. And also I love the fact that there is zero hair out, and it's definitely given I have a leave out or something of the sort. And I literally have all of my hair protected, which is great. And also you can curl this hair if you would like to. But if you guys have any questions pertaining to this hairstyle, make sure you guys comment down below. And also, if you guys love this hairstyle, comment down below as well, because the miracle knots are taking a big turn. Cause y'all, these parts are big, the hair is full, the time, not that much time to complete this hairstyle. Like, you get in the best of both worlds, like, literally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Gia babies, we out.